Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with the that is a part 5. Up till yesterday, we have studied how to form a linear equation from a given information and try to plot the graph. Now, today we are going to start to plot the graph when the equation is given in one variable. Example, we have to plot the graph. There are two parts in one variable as well as we can plot the in two variable where the equation is given x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. This is the one example. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2 is another example. We have to plot the graph of x is equal to 3 in one variable as well as we will try to plot when x is equal to 3 in two variable. Now one variable, it is only as a one variable x, and as it is x equal to 3, it means we have to plot on the number line. So this is the number line. You know what is mean by the number line. This is 0, it will be 1, 2, 3, and so on the right side, while the negative numbers will be on the left side. Now x is equal to 3. To plot the graph, we have just has to draw the point at x is equal to 3. Now y is equal to minus 2, though y. But when they asked to plot in one variable, we asked to go on the number line only, and the number line doesn't require to draw the horizontal. Will be always it will be always a horizontal line, not a vertical. So here we are going to plot y is equals to minus 2 also on the number line. So though it is x or y, when they ask to plot in one variable, it will be on the number line only. Now, instead of one variable, now they have asked again in two variable as well. The equation is not in the two variable, but still they have asked to plot the graph in two variable. Now to plot the graph in two variable, first we will try to write the equation in two variable. The equation is given x is equal to 3. Y is not there. Y is a missing. So we can write it as with 0 y, because we know that when we multiply by 0 to any number, the answer will becomes a 0, and when we add 0 we'll get the same, that is x. So x is equal to 3, we can write it as x plus 0y is equal to 3. Now this becomes a linear equation in two variable. There is a one variable x as well as y. Now from that what I can write, x is equal to 3 minus 0y. Normally to plot the graph, we take different values of x and trying to find out the values of y. When such equation is given, that is only x is equal to 3 or only y is equal to minus 2, then in such case, which becomes a 0 or which variable is missing, we'll try to take that values of y and we will try to find out the values of x. For that, we'll take the value of y as minus 1. But what happened? Minus 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0 and 3 minus 0 is 3. So the value of x will be 3. When I take y is 0, again I will get x is 3. Though y is 1, we get x is equal to 3. And y is 2, then also x is equal to 3. And then we will plot the graph for this on the next. Now, the same time, we will try to prepare the table for the y is equal to minus 2. So that will be easy for you to understand. Now y is equal to minus 2. So which variable is missing here? Y is there, but x is not there. As x is not there, we will write it as with the 0x. Which variable is missing, we will make its coefficient as a 0. So here it will be 0x plus y is equal to minus 2. And y is equal to minus 2 minus 0x. Initially only I stated which is missing, for that or where we get the coefficient 0, we will take the values for that variable. In this case y was missing, so or we can say coefficient of y was 0, so we have taken different values of y and calculated the values of x. Here x is missing or the coefficient of x is a 0, so we will take different values for x and we will calculate the values for y. Now x is minus 1, 0, 1 and 2 that we will take and we'll try to find out the values of y. First, replace x as minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0, and minus 2 minus 0 will be minus 2. Similarly, when we go for x is 0, we will get y is also minus 2. For x1, y is minus 2, and x is 2, y is minus 2. So for the equation x is equal to 3, we get this point, and for y is equal to minus 2, we have got the another set of the points. We'll try to plot this point now. For the first, what the points were? Minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 3, 1, sorry, it is a points what we get, and when we join this, it is a, we get it as a x is equal to 3, and here we have plotted the points that they have given it as a minus 1 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 2, and when we join this, we get a straight line here. Now what we observed, x is equal to 3, it means y was missing, and when y is missing, the line will be parallel to the y axis, while y is equal to minus 2. As y is equal to minus 2, x is missing, and that line will be parallel to the x axis. So that is a plot of the line. Whenever the equation is given with one variable only, we can convert that into the two variable and plot the graph. We get a straight line again, and this lines depends upon either it will be parallel to x or parallel to y axis. That depends upon which variable is missing. Here y is missing, correct? So the line will be parallel to y axis. Here x is missing, so the line will be parallel to x axis. And that completes our chapter. These questions are in the exercise 4.4. Solve this 4.4 exercise. Try to solve it. Tomorrow, I'm not going to upload any video, but it doesn't mean that tomorrow is a holiday for maths. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days, I'm giving you to complete your work. If you are not completed, these 2 days, utilize that to complete this chapter. And from Monday onwards, we will start with the new chapter. Before this, before starting a new chapter, better complete the sums of this chapter. Hope you have understood and you can complete that work. Thank you, students.